Namaskar. Today, I want to discuss about one very important topic which concerns many people, especially women and children. How to increase hemoglobin levels. Hemoglobin is our red blood cells which is responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body, for which iron is very important. Actually, if we look in nature, there are many foods available to overcome this deficiency. Today, I am going to share a simple yet powerful remedy. It is a recipe of nutritious and delicious laddus with garden cress and other seeds. Garden cress is also known as Halim in Hindi. It is a good source of iron which is essential for hemoglobin synthesis. So let's start. To make this iron-rich laddus, you will need 3 tablespoons of halim or garden cress seeds, 3 tablespoons pumpkin seed, 3 tablespoons sunflower seed, 3 tablespoons watermelon seed, 3 tablespoons flax seed, 3 tablespoons sesame seed, 1 cup jaggery grated or powdered, half teaspoon cardamom powder, half teaspoon nutmeg powder, coconut water. This you can take for soaking and binding. Start by soaking garden cress seed in coconut water for 2 to 3 hours until they swell and become gelatinous. Then dry roast all the other seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, watermelon seeds, flax seeds and sesame seeds. All these seeds should be separately roasted on low heat until you get a nutty aroma. Set them aside to cool down. Now prepare jaggery syrup by adding jaggery in that 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut water. Heat this gently until the jaggery melts and forms a sticky syrup. Be careful so that it doesn't get overcooked. Then combine the roasted seeds and soaked garden cress seed. Sprinkle cardamom powder and nutmeg powder into the seed mixture for flavor. Then pour the jaggery syrup into this mixture and mix well while the syrup is warm. Grease your palm with little coconut water and shape the mixture into small laddus while the mixture is still warm. Let the laddus become cool and become firm. Then store them in an airtight box. You can keep these laddus for up to a week. These garden cress and seeds laddus are especially beneficial for increasing hemoglobin levels and overcoming anemia. Garden cress seeds are a natural source of iron. Their absorption is enhanced when paired with jaggery, which is also rich in iron. Sesame seed contains iron, calcium and magnesium, which supports red blood cell protection. Pumpkin and sunflower seeds provide zinc and vitamin E, which play a role in maintaining our healthy blood cells. Flax seeds and watermelon seeds are full of essential nutrients, including folate, which aids in the formation of red blood cells. Nutmeg and cardamom enhance digestion and also ensure good nutrient absorption. To improve your hemoglobin levels, it is best to have just 1 to 2 laddus daily as a healthy snack. Scientific research also states that garden cress seeds improves hemoglobin level in an anemic patient when consumed regularly. Along with adding these laddus to your diet, you can also make a few simple lifestyle changes to naturally boost your hemoglobin. Try to include spinach, lentil, pomegranate and beetroot in your diet. See that you get better iron absorption by adding citrus fruits like orange, amla and lemon. Cook in cast iron utensils to naturally enrich your meals with iron. Avoid tea and coffee as tannin interferes with iron absorption. Practice yoga asanas and pranayams every day to enhance blood flow and increase oxygen level in your body. You must also practice yogic relaxation techniques to reduce stress and increase nutrient absorption. Remember, health doesn't require any expensive solution. Making small dietary changes like enjoying these laddus and having a generally healthy lifestyle naturally boost your hemoglobin and boost your energy. Namaskar.